Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amardeep Mishra and I'm your aptitude trainer. And this video is in continuation of theory of factors. And in this video, we are going to learn how to find out the perfect square and perfect cube factors. In the previous videos, we had seen how to find out the total number of factors, how to find out the even and odd factors, how to find out their sum. And in this video, we are going to discuss how to find out the total number of perfect square and perfect cube factors. Suppose for any number you have total 50 factors. Okay. So out of 50 factors, some are perfect square in nature, some are perfect cube in nature. So we have to count that. Okay. Now, let's take a number 20,000, right? So first of all, what is the first step? That is same for every type of question. The first step is to convert this number into the prime factor format. So that will be 20 into 1000. Okay. 20 is your what? 4 into 5. 1000 is what? 1000 is your 5 cube into 2 cube. Okay. Now this 4 and this 2 cube, they will combine. I mean, this 4 is what? This 4 is 2 square. So I can say that this 2 square and this 2 power 3, they will combine and they will give you 2 power 5. Okay. Into this 5 and 5 cube, that will be 5 power 4, right? So I hope it is correct. This is the prime factor format for 20,000. Okay. Now we have to find out, or we have to calculate the number of perfect square factors and perfect cube factors, right? We have to count the perfect square and perfect cube factors. Now, first of all, let's discuss a perfect square number. Let me take any perfect square number. Let's say 144. Okay. 144 is what? 12 square. Now 12 is what? 12 is your 4 into 3 square, whole square. Now 4 is what? 2 square. Into 3 is what? 3 power 1 and whole power is 2. Now this 2 square and this whole square, this will give you 2 power 4 and 2 into this 3 power 1 and whole square will be 3 power 2. Now you see 2 power 4 and 3 power 2. You can, if you look at the power, powers are even in nature, means power are the multiple of 2. Okay. So for any perfect square number, if you change that perfect square number into the prime factor format, you will see that the power of the prime numbers are the multiple of 2. Always, this is the always, you will find the same case. So let me take one more example. Let's say I have 400. Okay. So 400 means what? That is 20 square. 20 is what? 20 is 4 into 5 and whole square. Now again, 4 is what? 2 square into 5 and this is whole square. So this will be your 2 power 4 into 5 square. So again, you see this is 4, power is 4 and the power here is 2. So these, both of these powers are the multiple of 2, right? Okay. So this is the basic, you can say the criteria of identifying a perfect square number. Okay. When you change the perfect square number into the prime factor format, you will see that the power of the prime numbers are in the multiple of 2. Okay. Now, see, for 20,000, the prime factor format was 2 power 5 into 5 power 4. Let me write it here. 2 power 5 into 5 power 4. Okay, this is the prime factor format for 20,000. Now, for 2 power 5, we will write in the first column, we will write 2 power 0, 2 power 2, and 2 power 4. Okay, for 5 power 4, in the second column, I will take 5 power 0, 5 square, and 5 power 2. Sorry, 5 power 4. Now you can ask me, sir, why you are taking only the powers which are multiple of 2? Again, the reason I have given you, because we are counting the perfect square factors. So for that, we have to consider the prime numbers with the powers which are multiple of 2. Now 2 power 0. 2 power 0 of any number is what? 1. Okay, so this is 1 and 1 always is a perfect square number. Okay, 1 itself is a perfect square number. Right. Similarly, 5 power 0, that is 1. 1 is a perfect square number. So 5 power 0, 3 power 0, 2 power 0, whatever prime numbers are there, their power 0 we have to take always. Next is I have taken 2 square. Next is I have taken 2 power 4. Next, can I take 2 power 6? No. Why? Because in the format, the maximum power of 2 is 5 here, if you see. So we cannot go beyond 2 power 5. So after 2 power 4, next should be 2 power 6, but I cannot take that. So that means 3 values here, okay, and 3 values here similarly. So in the first column, you have, in the first column, let me rub it. Just a second, let me rub it. So in the first column, you have 3 values, okay. In the second column also, you have 3 values. So you multiply them, you will get total 9. That means total 9 factors are perfect square in nature. Total 9 factors are perfect square in nature, right? So this is how we can count the total number of perfect square factors. Now, I hope after solving this, you must have got some idea about how to find out the perfect cube factors. Okay, so for perfect cube, you have to look at the powers which are multiple of 3. In the perfect square, we were taking the powers which are multiple of 2. In the perfect cube, we will take the powers which are multiple of 3. Okay, so in the first column, I will take 2 power 0, 2 power 3. In the second column, I will take 2 power 0, 2 power 3. Sorry, 5 power 0 and 5 power 3. So can I take 5 power 6? No, not possible, because the maximum power of 5 is 4 here. Similarly, here, can I take 2 power 6? Not possible, because the maximum power of 2 is 5 here. So from here, we have 2 values, and from second column, we have 2 values. So 2 values, let me write it here, just a moment. So 2 values here and 2 values here. That means total 4. Means total 4 factors are perfect cube in nature. Total 4 factors are perfect cube in nature. Okay. Let me take one more example for more clarity. Let's say you have a number 28,000. Okay. 28,000 can be written as 28 into 1,000. 1,000 is what? This is 2 cube into 5 cube. And 28 is what? This is 7 into 4. So 4 is what? 2 square. So 2 square and 2 cube will be your 2 power 5 into, this is 5 power 3 into, this is 7 power 1. Okay. Now this is the prime factor format. This is the prime factor format. This is the first step that you have to do always. Now see, you have to find out the total number of perfect square factors and perfect cube factors. So for perfect square, what we will do, we'll take 3 columns, because we have three prime numbers now, 2, 5, and 7. So we will take three columns. So for 2, we will take 2 power 0, 2 square, and 2 power 4. For 5, we will take 5 power 0, 5 square. For 7, we will take 7 power 0. Okay. I cannot take 7 power 2 because that is not available here. So this is your, how many values you can see in the first column? 3 values. Second column, 2 values. Third column, 1 value. So 3 into 2 into 1, that will be total 6. So total 6 factors are there which are perfect square in nature. See, understand, here I am not finding out those 6 factors. I am just counting. I am just finding that there are total 6 factors which are perfect square in nature. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now, if you want to find out the perfect cube, so for perfect cube, what you have to do, 2 power 5, 5 cube, and 7 power 1. Let me write again here. 2 power 5 into 5 cube into 7 power 1. Okay. Now understand. If you take the first column, so for first column, you take 2 power 0, 2 power 3. That's it. Second column, you take 5 power 0, 5 power 3. Third column, you take 7 power 0. So from here, you have 2 values. From here, you have 2 values. And from here, you can see 1 value. So 2 into 2 into 1, that is 4. Right? So there are total 4 factors which are perfect cube in nature. Okay. Now don't confused with this 2 power 0. When I'm calculating the perfect cube factors, again, I have taken 2 power 0, 5 power 0, 1, 7 power 0. Why? Because power 0 of any number is 1, and 1 is a perfect cube number also. Okay. 1 is a perfect square also, 1 is a perfect cube also. So do not get confused. Okay. 2 power 0, whatever prime numbers are there in the prime factor format. Okay. So their power 0 always you have to take whenever you are calculating the number of perfect square and perfect cube factors. Okay. I hope this is clear. So if you have any kind of doubt, any confusion, if it is left, you can put your doubt in the comment section. And if the things are not clear, you can rewind and rewatch the video, right? Thank you so much for watching the video. If you found this video useful, then please do give this video a thumbs up. I mean, like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such useful videos. Thank you so much.